To develop problem-solving skills, focus on understanding the problem clearly and breaking it into smaller, manageable parts. Practice critical thinking by analyzing causes, exploring solutions, and evaluating their outcomes. Stay curious, embrace challenges, and learn from mistakes. Regularly exercising creativity through puzzles, brainstorming, or real-world scenarios also sharpens your ability to think and act effectively under pressure. What is problem solving? Problem solving is the process of finding solutions to challenges and obstacles. It involves identifying, analyzing, and resolving issues effectively. Why is it important? Problem solving is essential for personal and professional growth. It allows us to adapt, overcome challenges, and achieve goals. Analytical, they can break down complex problems into manageable parts. Creative, they think outside the box to generate innovative solutions. Resilient, they don't give up easily and learn from mistakes. Collaborative, they work effectively with others to solve problems. 1. Identify, clearly define the problem. 2. Analyze, gather information, and understand the problem's root causes. 3. Brainstorm, generate a wide range of potential solutions. 4. Evaluate, assess the feasibility and effectiveness of each solution. 5. Implement, put the chosen solution into action. 6. Review, reflect on the outcome and learn from the process. Ask the right questions. What is the specific issue? What are the symptoms? What are the goals and objectives? Gather information, consult with stakeholders, collect data, and analyze relevant resources. Define the problem clearly, write a concise statement that summarizes the problem in a way that is easy to understand. Root cause analysis, investigate the underlying reasons behind the problem. Data analysis, use data to identify trends, patterns, and insights that can help understand the problem. Impact assessment, determine the potential consequences of the problem if it is not resolved. Think outside the box, encourage unconventional ideas and challenge assumptions. Collaborate with others, tap into the collective knowledge and perspectives of the team. Use tools and techniques, consider mind maps, idea boards, or other brainstorming tools. Record all ideas, don't judge or discard ideas prematurely. Feasibility, can the solution be implemented within available resources? Effectiveness, is the solution likely to solve the problem? Impact, what are the potential benefits and drawbacks of the solution? Cost, what is the cost of implementing and maintaining the solution? Develop a plan, create a detailed roadmap outlining steps, resources, and responsibilities. Communicate the plan, share the implementation strategy with all stakeholders to ensure alignment. Set milestones and deadlines, establish clear checkpoints and timeframes to track progress. Monitor progress, track implementation using key metrics and regular check-ins. Make adjustments as needed, adapt the implementation based on feedback and results. Evaluate the outcome, identify areas for improvement, document lessons learned, share knowledge and best practices. Question assumptions, challenge your own beliefs and assumptions. Analyze evidence, evaluate information objectively and critically. Identify biases, recognize your own biases and those of others. Draw logical conclusions, make inferences and judgments based on evidence. Think differently, consider alternative perspectives and approaches. Experiment with ideas, don't be afraid to try new things and learn from failures. Decision-making techniques involve identifying goals, gathering relevant information, and evaluating options based on pros and cons. Methods like the SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, or decision matrices help weigh choices systematically. Tools like brainstorming, cost-benefit analysis, and considering long-term impacts ensure informed and effective decisions. Staying objective and open to feedback also improves outcomes. Self-awareness: understand your own emotions and their impact on your decision-making. Empathy: consider the emotions and perspectives of others involved. Resilience: bounce back from setbacks and maintain a positive attitude. Embrace challenges: view problems as opportunities for growth and learning. Focus on solutions: don't dwell on the problem, focus on finding a way forward. Learn from mistakes: view setbacks as valuable lessons and opportunities for improvement. Logical thinking uses reason and analysis to solve problems. Intuitive thinking relies on instinct, gut feeling, and experience. Active listening: pay attention to the perspectives of others. Clear and concise language: communicate ideas effectively and avoid ambiguity. Feedback and open dialogue: encourage open communication and constructive feedback. Leverage different skills: combine expertise from different team members. Encourage open communication, create a safe space for sharing ideas and feedback. Set realistic goals: break down large problems into smaller, manageable tasks to make progress systematically. Prioritize tasks: focus on the most important and urgent tasks first to maximize effectiveness. Use time management tools: utilize calendars, to-do lists, and other organizational tools to stay on track and manage time efficiently. Jumping to conclusions: thoroughly analyze the problem before drawing conclusions. Focusing on symptoms, not causes: address the root cause of the problem, not just the surface symptoms. Lack of planning: develop a clear plan before implementing a solution. Failing to evaluate outcomes: regularly review and assess the effectiveness of the solution. Relationships, finances, health, time management, personal growth. Project management: customer service, process improvement, innovation, and product development. Team building: foster a culture of open communication and collaboration. Decision-making: make informed decisions based on data and analysis. Conflict resolution: address conflicts effectively and constructively. Change management: guide the team through transitions and changes. 5 Whys: a root cause analysis technique. SWOT analysis: a strategic planning tool to identify internal and external factors. Technology enhances problem-solving by providing tools for data analysis, communication, and automation. From AI-driven insights to collaborative platforms, it accelerates decision-making and simplifies complex tasks. Simulations, modeling software, and digital resources help explore solutions efficiently, making technology essential for tackling modern challenges. Mindset shift: view challenges as opportunities for growth. Emotional regulation: manage stress and stay calm under pressure. Learning from failure: embrace setbacks as learning experiences. Stay updated: learn about new problem-solving techniques and approaches. Seek feedback: get feedback from others to identify areas for improvement. Develop a growth mindset: believe that your problem-solving abilities can be developed and improved. Business case: a company that overcame a manufacturing bottleneck by implementing a new production process. Personal case: an individual who overcame a financial challenge by creating a budget and managing their expenses. Social case: a community organization that tackled a local environmental issue through community engagement and advocacy. Problem solving is a process: follow a structured process to effectively address challenges. Critical thinking is essential: question assumptions, analyze evidence, and identify biases. Collaboration is key: work effectively with others to generate ideas and solutions. Lifelong learning is crucial: continuously improve your problem-solving skills through learning and experience. Developing problem-solving skills requires practice, patience, and a proactive mindset. By breaking down problems, thinking critically, and exploring creative solutions, you can build confidence and adaptability. Embracing challenges and learning from mistakes will continually strengthen your ability to solve problems effectively.